The pigmentation is exceptionally uniform. Minimal scarring, no significant tick damage or wire cuts. This is premium aviation leather quality. This confirms it for the selection process. This display documents the genetic basis of the Red Brahman variant, where the homozygous red genotype produces deep red mahogany pigmentation throughout the entire hide thickness like premium aviation interiors. Premium U.S. aviation leather manufacturers select Red Brahman hides for their Nechiv's warm tan and cognac tones preferred in first-class interiors, with lower dyeing requirements. At the Texas Red Brahman Ranch, premium hides are loaded for transport, maintaining value through cold chain logistics. The hides are carefully placed in refrigerated process channel. On the Texas coast, Golden Dawn illuminates the ranch where our Red Brahman bull begins its journey. Rigorous assessments ensure top genetics and color. This yields superior aviation leather. This is the extraordinary natural size of a premium Red Brahman bull hide, laid out for initial documentation at the ranch receiving station. Hides are here from Texas. Let's begin the assessment. Confirmed. Checking for aviation grade consistency now. No surface flaws. Agreed. Approving this batch. This is the aviation leather grading data for a premium Red Brahman bull hide. The system identifies and maps every surface defect with precision. It then calculates the premium aviation grade area, In the beam house, baiting and pickling are precisely controlled for aviation leather. These steps manage softness and tannage penetration, defining the leather's final hand and performation leather processing. From receiving to quality checks, the premium mapping and soaking prepare the hide for transformation. Liming reveals the red grain, final measurements and pickling yield an aviation-ready pelt. In the aviation finishing department, a multi-layer system is applied to leather. It must meet FAA flammability standards, airline color specs, and the extreme durability required for first-class cabin use. In this aviation leather lab, Red Brahman panels face the full test battery. Abrasion, tensile, tear, and crocking ensure durabilities verify it meets Boeing and Airbus standards. The journey begins with FAA-compliant chrome tannage, preserving for tanning a decifying color, finep per flambe tezits, yield a premium cognac leather with extraordinary grain. Leather grain uniformity and tension are excellent. Seam quality is perfect.
Color consistency and surface finish are within spec. Looks premium.
Agreed. This batch meets the qualities confirmed. Moving to the next seat. From digital patterns to precision cuts, artisanal sewing forms flawless seams. Covers are expertly fitted to the frame. Rigorous inspection ensures perfection. In this world-class lab, Red Brahman aviation leather undergoes rigorous testing for FAA flammability, Boeing and Airbus specifications, and airline brand color standards, ensuring unmatched durability and quality. Weizenbeek results: over 100,000 cycles without failure. Martindale exceeds 50,000 stain resistance. Validation confirms durability for millions of passenger hours. This value chain shows the extraordinary price transformation of Red Brahman leather, from a $2.50 raw hide to $120 leather and a seat worth up to $80,000.